How to record messenger calls on Android. This tutorial shows you how to capture your messenger calls directly on your device. First, open the Messenger app on your Android device. After that, start or receive a call on Messenger as you normally would. From there, once the call is connected, swipe down from the top of your screen to open the Quick Settings panel. At this point, look for the Screen Recorder option and tap on it to start recording. Let me show you. This will capture everything on your screen, including the messenger call. In the next step, when prompted, select Internal Sound, so both sides of the conversation are captured cleanly in the recording. Following this, a countdown will appear, and then the recording will begin automatically. Once done, go back to your messenger call and continue your conversation as normal. The screen recorder will run in the background, capturing everything. From there, when you're ready to stop recording, swipe down from the top of your screen again. At this stage, tap on the stop button in the screen recorder notification to end the recording. Following this, the recording will be saved automatically to your Gallery app. Open your Gallery and look for the Screen Recordings folder to find it. From here, if the screen recorder option isn't showing in your Quick Settings panel, swipe down and tap on the Edit button to customize your panel. At this point, search for Screen Recorder and drag it into your Quick Settings so it's always easy to access. Here's an important note. Recording calls without the other person's knowledge or consent may be illegal in some regions. Always make sure you're aware of the call recording laws in your area before proceeding. Finally, if the screen recorder isn't capturing the audio from both sides of the conversation properly, try using a third-party screen recording app from the Play Store that supports internal audio recording for clearer results. And that's it. If this guide helped you record messenger calls, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.